Hey guys, so this is a short tour of my college room just before I started cleaning it. We have a bookshelf, we have a mirror over there in the other corner, and an undone bed, which of course I'm going to clean. I'm going to remove the sheets, and this is the rest of the room. So join me as I start cleaning. I'll start by clearing my bookshelf and cleaning it. This is a must-have for every medic or every Kenyan at this point, I think. So the plant also needs to be wiped down after I finished wiping my bookshelf, and I also wiped the wall and the floor where the bookshelf stands. So after that, I arranged things the way they were on the bookshelf, starting from my shoes, up with the books. And then now I cleaned my couch, my sofa. I wiped it down. I don't have a vacuum, so yeah, as you can see, I used water and a piece of cloth to wipe down my sofa. Yeah, after that it felt very fresh because I used some detergent. So after that, I cleaned the wall where the sofa leans. And now it was time to clean the bed, so I had to remove all the bedding, all the pillowcases, all the bed sheets, the duvets and the duvet covers. So yeah, I removed everything. I wiped down the bed and I changed the bedding after that. This is me doing a small little dance after I've done cleaning because it's a big job and I was happy with the progress that I had made by nightfall. So this is the next day and I started it by changing into some workout clothes because after this I did a workout and then I continued cleaning the rest of the room, the places where I hadn't done it. Hi guys, it's Saturday morning. I think you can hear some music from my neighbors, but it's okay. I hope I'm audible enough. I have a flu and my voice is kind of hoarse and a little low. Anyway, so I've come from around a 6-kilometer run, and I'm very proud of myself because at the beginning of the year my goal was to run at 10 kilometers by June, and currently I'm at 6 kilometers and I feel so much fulfilled. I think I'm actually nearing my goal and I'm very happy about that. It was a very hard run because there were many hilly, okay, not hilly, but the terrain was not quite flat, and it was a good challenge for my body and for myself. I took like 3 breaks while running, which I'm okay with because I have a flu. Also, it's okay to take breaks. Yeah, I've just come back. I took a cup of very nice coffee, and I've journaled a bit. Okay, not a bit, I've written like 4 pages, and I'm quite impressed by that because it's been long since I have journaled, and I'm very happy that I've taken this time to catch up with myself, to lay my thoughts down and see how far I've come. I feel so nice, I feel so grateful, and I feel so abundant. So today I want to finish cleaning my house. I hope I'll finish because I want to wash my curtains, to clean my balcony. Yesterday I cleaned the room inside. I cleaned the walls, I cleaned everything, the bed, actually every single thing, and I changed my bedding, so it felt quite nice to sleep in a pair of clean sheets and a fresh room. Yeah, this weekend I've decided to just take it for myself. Yesterday I just cleaned and I watched a very nice series that I'm liking. It's called Yellowstone. Very good storyline, very good cinematography. Yeah, and today I just want to clean the house, the balcony, to repot some of my plants. And then I think at night we have like a game night with some ladies. And I think that will be the only social event for the day. And I think the weekend is very short in med school because now this is the only day that I have free, because tomorrow now we are back to the wards to clerk patients and to review the ones that we've had throughout the week. I think I feel fulfilled currently with the progress that we've been making in the wards. The team is very good. They are very hardworking. And they're very considerate to the children. Yeah, also I'll take some of my clothes for repairs, like this cute corset. It's a bit big for me. Yeah, see here. Yeah, I'll take some clothes for repairs after I've finished cleaning and everything. So ever since I've become a plant mom, it has become a ritual to just take care of my plants every once in a while. It's a therapeutic thing to do, especially when I'm in stressful situations and I just sit by my plants, just taking care of them, touching the soil. It's usually therapeutic, very therapeutic. So yeah, I repotted some of the plants. I put them in bigger pots, and as you can see the result, it was very nice. So after that, I put back the curtains, I put back the blinders and the curtains in the room, and that is it for this video. So I cleaned my room, every part of my room, every nook and cranny, and I took care of my plants, and everything felt very fresh afterwards. So thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you very much for clicking on this video, and I hope that it gives you some kind of cleaning motivation so that you can take a day off, some hours off, some minutes off to just clean your place, if this video has motivated you at all. Thank you so much for being here, and see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.